Hey guys, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to set up Face ID on iPhone. To do so, firstly, go to your settings. Once you open up settings, then you may scroll down to Face ID and passcode. Now tap on Face ID and passcode. Again here, you will have to scroll down to turn passcode on. Tap on turn passcode on and set your passcode according to your liking. Now you have to enter your password again to verify. Once you do so, you will have successfully added a passcode of your liking. However, you will have to enter your Apple ID once for security purposes. This is how you will have successfully turned on your passcode. However, to add or set up a Face ID, you will have to scroll up and then tap on Set up Face ID. Now you will have to enter your previously set passcode and then you may follow the prompts to set up Face ID. Firstly, tap on Get Started. Then you may follow the prompt according to the ones instructed by Apple. Once you do so, your Face ID will be set. This is how you can easily set up Face ID on iPhone. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.